Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super quick, helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the transmission, the automatic transmission on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. Very important to know that because it could be a simple fix if you have problems with the transmission. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So for the automatic transmission, the transmission fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them now guys. By the way, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's okay, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us it saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. First, what we need to do, open the hood. Lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to. It's on the driver's side. So we come here, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir right next to it. Okay, we have a fuse box right here. We need to open that cover and underneath we're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, now this fuse box layout is only for year 2018. If you have 2014 to 17, we will explain about that one too. But if you have a 2018 model, let's explain about this one here. Things may differ a little bit for some specific fuses. The first fuse that we will need to check is known as fuse number 40 guys. We're talking about this 15 fuse right here, very important fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 57. 57 will be that double micro 3-blade fuse. Keep some spare ones like these ones, those are super hard to find usually if you're in the middle of nowhere. Next, we need to guys locate relay 70. We're talking about that relay here. If you have a 2014 year to 2017 year guys, you will need to check now. Fuse number 40 will be the same, but this one, instead of being 57, now it's fuse number 58. Okay, location is the same, number is different. And the relay this time is known as relay 71. It's different size relay. As you can see, they upgraded that one. So those will be the things that you will need to check for your transmission guys. Also, we'll recommend to check the engine, computer fuses and relays. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.